Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. In today's videos, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be starting a new series, and the new series is going to be in episode 1. I'm going to be showing you how to make a My FOREX Funds account. If you do not know what My FOREX Funds is, it is a prop firm that will fund you, give you a funded account. They have multiple different accounts. I'm going to break down how to create an account. And in episode 2, we'll make the account, and we're going to keep doing this series until I reach a 5-figure payout. So that's what this series is going to be. I've been having some questions if I do 101 training. Yes, I do. I'm gonna put some results around here. You should see some. I do 101 training. So hit my email below or follow me on my social media and DM me. I will respond back to your DM. As well as that, please support the brand, Greatness Brand. You know the website. Go there and copy some merch, because you are greatness, and greatness is whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have to be what the world says greatness is. Don't forget that. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hop on the desktop and we're going to create this My FOREX Funds account in episode 1. I will and I am going to make a 5-figure payout. Let's get it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here on the desktop, and you're going to want to go to Google or whatever your Google search provider is. You're going to want to type in My FOREX Funds right here. It is going to be this one right here, myforexfunds.com. You're going to click here. Now you're going to want to go on the top right, and you're going to want to click register now. They have 3 different programs that you can register for. You have Rapid, Evaluation, and Accelerated. Evaluation and Rapid are similar programs. We're going to first break down what the evaluation progress is, and pretty much you pick an amount that you want to get funded for, and you have a phase 1 and a phase 2. Phase 3, you will have the funded account if you pass phase 1 and phase 2. Here are 6 points to remember, or 6 important rules with this funded account. You have a 5% drawdown. So pretty much in open or in closed trades of whatever amount you want to get funded for, you cannot go less than 5% of that account that day. However, if you are in profit, you get a little cushion essentially. So you start off the day 5%. If you go and cushion 1%, now you have a 6% drawdown for that day. Only applies if you are in profit. Now for your overall account, you have a 12% drawdown. So you cannot let your account go into a 12% drawdown overall. So you have daily and overall on the evaluation account. Phase 1, like I said, you pick the amount that you want to get funded for. And phase 1, or your first test, is to hit the 8% profit target. So you start off with $10,000, 8% of that is $800. So that will be your first target, is $800. If you hit this, if you 5% daily drawdown or 12% overly drawdown, that's a violation, and you have to start over. You have to start over. It doesn't matter if you're profit, you have to start the challenge over. Phase 2 gets a little bit easier, and it is now a 5% drawdown. As you can see here, it's a 5% drawdown. So first you get an 8%. Once again, out of a $10,000 account, that would be $800. 5% of $10,000 will be $500. You have to do this on the 5-day trading minimum. So 5 days you have to at least put in and close a trade, and you have no trading restrictions. We're going to go down and just look at the different accounts that you can select for. So you have a $10,000 account, a $20,000 account, a $50,000 account, 100 and 200. There are no monthly fees. And as well as, if you pass this challenge, you get refunded back the amount that you put on. So if you invest $84 for $10,000 and you pass all the way through, they're going to give you the $84 back. So on this account, overall drawdown is $1,200. Daily starting drawdown is $500. So if you're on this $10,000 account, and this is nice, if you have $84 to get a $10,000, like, just give it a try. Step outside of your comfort zone. Daily, you cannot go daily $500 down, or that's a violation. So that's pretty much the rules to the My Forex Funds account. I'm going to create an account. This was just a breakdown exactly how it is. I still want to figure out the account that I want to create, but I will drop another video explaining how to create the account. So please stay tuned for that. Comment down below the type of videos that you guys want to see, or if you're interested in this series. I'm truly excited. And we can look at some more rules for this before we wrap it all up. Okay. So I would say some of the important rules here, we'll look here. You can trade Forex, CFDs, and commodities like oil and metals. You guys can just read that there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm excited for this series. I will be making a 5-figure payout. Comment down below once again if you want one-on-one training. DM me or email me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I am destined for greatness. You are destined for greatness too. Peace.